Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. The Toyota Passo Moda. The story begins in 2004 when Toyota introduced the first generation Passo. It was compact, stylish, and built for urban adventures. This little car quickly became popular among young drivers who appreciated its affordability and practicality. In 2010, Toyota unveiled the second generation Passo, which was even more refined and packed with advanced features. With its sleek design and improved fuel efficiency, it became a top choice for city dwellers who wanted a reliable and economical ride. Fast forward to today, then we have the latest iteration of the Toyota Passo. This third generation model showcases Toyota's commitment to innovation and technology. It boasts a modern design, enhanced safety features, and a more spacious interior. The Passo continues to be a favorite among urban drivers, offering comfort and efficiency for everyday journeys. The Toyota Passo Moda is a stylish and efficient car that combines both fashion and functionality. It is perfect for those who want to make a statement on the road while also being conscious about fuel efficiency. With its sleek design and modern features, the Passo Moda turns heads wherever it goes. Its aerodynamic shape not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves its fuel efficiency. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious and comfortable cabin. The Passo Moda provides ample legroom and is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to make your driving experience more enjoyable. The Passo Moda comes with a touchscreen infotainment system that allows you to control various features of the car, including music, navigation, and climate control. It also offers advanced safety features to ensure your peace of mind on the road. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising on the highways, the Passo Moda delivers a smooth and responsive performance. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver and park in tight spaces, while its efficient engine ensures that you'll spend less time at the pump and more time enjoying your drive. As the sun sets and the city lights up, the Passo Moda's stylish LED headlights illuminate the road ahead, allowing you to drive with confidence and style. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.